KOJC lawyers go to the Davao Court, sasabihin, Your Honor, the PNP has disrespected the protection order. They have violated the rights of the KOJC members XYZ. So, dalawa po ang pwedeng ma-issue ng hukuman. Okay? Either contempt sila at ikulong sila for X number of days, or contempt order until such a time as sumunod sila. The PNP officials are breaking the law. They are breaking the temporary protection order. Hindi nga sila sumunod eh. Sino mag-enforce ngayon? Wala namang pulis. Okay, number one, hindi po lahat ng pulis hawak ni General Torre. Okay? At hindi rin hawak ni DILG Secretary Benhar Abalos lahat ng pulis. In fact, hindi. Okay, why is the process still working? Oo, in some instances, hindi sinunod ng PNP, hindi sinunod ng PNP yung protection order. Ibig sabihin nito, ang KOJC lawyers will go back to the court at hihingi po sila ng order of contempt. Ang contempt order, pwedeng ikulong yung isang tao na in contempt of court. Okay? So, sorry. So, what's going to happen? KOJC lawyers go to the Davao Court, sasabihin, Your Honor, the PNP has disrespected the protection order. They have violated the rights of the KOJC members XYZ, NMLOP, whatever. And in this manner, and then they will adduce evidence to that. This will be in the course of a hearing held on the motion. Ibig sabihin, magka-file ng motion KOJC to hold them in contempt. The court will order a hearing. Magsasubmit ng evidence ang KOJC lawyers, magsasubmit ng evidence ang PNP. Kung mag-find ang hukuman in favor of the KOJC, mag-i-issue sila ng order of contempt. Ang order of contempt, or unang lalabas pala is para sumagot sila is, well, anyway, pag natapos yung hearing, pwede yan order of contempt. So, sasabihin ng court, we find you in contempt of court and sentence you to X number of days or until you comply with the temporary protection order. So, dalawa po ang pwedeng ma-issue ng hukuman. Okay? Either contempt sila at ikulong sila for X number of days or contempt order until such a time as sumunod sila. Okay? So, pwede rin na sabihin ng court, okay, one last chance PNP, eto yung pwede nyong gawin. They will be specific and they will say, you have one more chance PNP, sumunod kayo dito, otherwise you will be found in contempt. So that's the other possibility. Ngayon, nakikita ko yung ibang comments, nagagalit pa rin kayo. What I'm saying is this is how the law works. Okay? Hindi lahat ng order sinusunod. In the same way na hindi lahat ng batas sinusunod ng mga tao. But that doesn't mean that the law is invalid. It doesn't mean na yung batas ay walang saysay. Kapag may hindi sumunod sa batas, aandar yung enforcement powers. Aandar ang judiciary. Okay? So, yung hindi pagsunod ng PNP sa order ng hukuman is no different from an ordinary criminal na hindi sumunod sa batas. O halimbawa, bawal sa batas ang magnakaw. Pero meron pa ring nagnanakaw. So, sabi ng court, bawal, magpabawal yung free flow of people from KOJC to go in and out their own property. Pinagbawal ng PNP. So, ganun din po yon. The PNP officials are breaking the law. They are breaking the temporary protection order. Yan ay kung tama yung facts ko, ha? So, ibig sabihin yan, i-enforce. So, in the same way na pag may magnanakaw, huhulihin yan or pag hindi nahuli, fa-filean ng kaso dadalin sa preliminary investigation. Pero dito, dadalin lang sa hukuman. Diretso na, may jurisdiction na kasi ang Davao Court. So, ibig sabihin, so KOJC goes to the Davao Court, asks for a contempt order. Ito guess ko lang. Of course, the KOJC lawyers might file other cases as well. We can talk about those later on. So, file sila ng ganyan, i-issue ng order ng court. Ngayon, yung mga galit pa rin, sinasabi nila, hindi na sila sumunod eh. Sino mag-enforce ngayon? Wala namang pulis. Okay, number one, hindi po lahat ng pulis hawak ni General Torre. Okay? At hindi rin hawak ni DILG Secretary Benhar Abalos lahat ng pulis. In fact, hindi niya hawak ang pulis. He only has what we call supervisory powers, administrative powers over the PNP. Hindi pwedeng palitan ni Sec Abalos ang mga decisions ng PNP. If you can substitute the decision of the PNP, you have control. Wala pong control si Sec Abalos sa PNP. So, maaari ka rin pumunta sa ibang sangay ng PNP, such as, example lang ha, di ko sinasabing sila, punta kayo sa SAF, punta kayo sa CIDG, etc. Or pwede rin kayong pumunta sa ibang law enforcement body such as but not limited to the NBI. Ngayon, kung wala at hindi gagalaw ang ibang law enforcement agencies, the KOJC can ask the court for a special order to deputize the AFP or a particular branch of the AFP. This is very unusual. However, yun nga, the court can also order very specifically certain divisions of the PNP or the NBI to execute the order of arrest for contempt. Okay? Okay. So, naintindihan niyo yung part na yon. So, this is how the law works. Pag mayroon pong hindi sumusunod sa batas, mayroong paraan and we call that a remedy. Okay? So, magagalit pa rin po ba kayo sa akin pag hindi sinusunod ng PNP? Magalit po kayo, pero hindi naman sa akin kasi ini-explain ko lang po yung batas. I don't make it, hindi po ako congressman, hindi rin po ako miyembro ng Korte Suprema na gumagawa ng mga decisions that are part of the law of the land. And yes, that's what Supreme Court decisions become. Tapos galit pa ngayon pag nag-entertain ako ng question, Sherwin naman, bakit ka galit? Sabi ni Ma'am Jo, I know Attorney Duaves personally. Judge Duaves po. Kasama ko as Army Reservist yan with the rank of Lieutenant Colonel. He's a deep thinker. And ako, I agree with his decision. So, it was very well thought out, sa totoo lang. Talagang hindi niya tinapakan ang jurisdiction ng Pasig Court. Okay? Huwag na kayong magagalit. Bakit? Because it is still something positive. Napunta yung kaso sa isang judge na nakakaintindi ng mga limitasyon ng jurisdiction niya. But at the same time, issued a temporary protection order. At hindi nyo ba napansin, yung TPO is for the entire duration of the case for writ of amparo. Ibig sabihin, habang dinidinig yung writ of amparo, kung dapat gawing permanent yan, ay may TPO. Okay? Bakit TRO ang binigay? Bakit hindi TRO? Because the KOJC did not ask for it. Okay? And a TRO against the service of the warrant of arrest cannot be ruled upon by the Davao Court. Only the Pasig Court, which issued the warrant of arrest, can stop itself. Okay? Okay, so wait ha, pasalamat muna po ako. Ang dami ko na miss. JJ de la Peña Criste, Thank you very much. Twice. Menil FB, thank you very much. License, thank you po. Pearl Vlogs, Ma'am Spirit, thank you for sharing, Harry Cloud, ha? Eugene sa Avedla, thank you for the fire. Kay Gox 28 for the heart me and finger heart. Thank you very much. Jobs and ads and Harvard. Thank you po very much. Ma'am Spirit, Kitty Candy, si Ma'am Spirit din po at si Kapitan daw. Okay? All right. So, thank you kay Heroes to Torgio. Thank you very much. At saka kay Just Marvel.